Jason and I are part of a garden tour club hosted by our friend Gail at Gail's Southern Living. Gail's link will be in our description. Just by leaving comments on our video and any other video in the Garden Tour Club, you have a chance on a giveaway at the end of each month. The Garden Tour Club runs until August. Time to water the plants and mist them too. Oh, the rhododendron bloomed. For the love of the birds, and the raccoons too, the squirrels and the chipmunks. Lavender, lemon balm, chives. We always let our chives go to bloom throughout the season, especially in the spring. The bees have something to enjoy. Then we'll just cut it down and they'll regrow all season long. Sage also has a beautiful flower that I also let go to bloom and seed. Gotta love the bees. Mint, columbine, that beautiful flower. Daylily, and you're probably thinking, Paula, why are you letting your asparagus go to seed again? Trust me when I tell you we've been eating a lot of asparagus, but I'm also letting this bed go to seed one more time just to be sure that I'm going to have asparagus for a long, long time. And as you can see, it's getting ready to flower and go to seed. Let it seed itself, folks. There's plenty of asparagus to eat. Here's another one coming up right here. How about rhubarb? I mean rhubarb, rhubarb, rhubarb. Look at all the rhubarb. Kale. Everything came back and doing well. Irises. So happy they bloomed. Hostas. Came back beautiful this year. Cherry trees all done blooming. Peonies is going to bloom soon. Iris is by the mailbox. Bees are happy. Marigolds. Yep, we have a toad house. Gotta have some place for them to hide. The old chicken feeder that I had, that I kept right on the deck, for my basil and cilantro and some lettuce, really needed some help. Jason surprised me and fixed it up. What kind of wood is that?
It's just regular pine. Southern yellow pine, I believe.
Scraps from work.
Rough framing lumber, yep. And we're charring it up to try and bring the natural oils out to seal it so it sits out.
Yeah, kind of like what I want to do with my strawberry bed, because I like the natural look, and look at all that beautiful grain. And it goes with the patina of the old metal. Yeah. We have us a visitor. Stray cat number 1. Just a hunting.
It's gonna be hot.
Gonna be hot.
That's gonna be hot.
I hear a 4-wheeler going by or something. Motorcycle?
4-wheeler side by side.
Yeah, something. Purdy. This was a really nice surprise. And thanks to Jason for fixing this for me, I'll be able to plant the basil, cilantro, and the lettuce tomorrow. Time to add the soil. Jason drilled really good holes in the bottom for drainage. And I'm going to get the soil nice and wet before I add any plants to it. When the water comes out of the bottom, you know that container is completely wet. This storm's going to be a doozy. It's coming from the south. The south storms are pretty bad here. 9 times out of 10, we get our storms from the west. That's the west. And it's time to take the bird feeder down. They weren't joking when they said we're getting a thunderstorm. This is why I always mist our plants while they're growing in the house, because they're used to the rain. Yep, that's what we're doing. Smell-o-vision would be nice. Just smelling would be nice.
Gotta get that quarter turn in there, you get the proper grill mark.
Oh yeah, grill marks. Important. Arugula. Cilantro. Rosemary. Basil. Gourds. Look how big the peppers are now. Sunflowers. Eggplant. Armageddon peppers. Banana peppers. Hoppy squash. The rose mellow flowers have their own pot now. Moving up. Tomatoes. Thank you for stopping by and watching our Garden Tour Club video and more. We'll see you on the next one. If you haven't already met Jason and I, here's a trailer so you can see what we've been up to around here.